Today's topic is what is table? A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. As you know, table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Also, intersection of rows and column is called a cell, and collections of cells is called a table. Next, steps for creating table. If you want to create a table, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Position the insertion point where you want to insert a table. Step 2. Click on Insert tab of Table Group. Step 3. Click on Insert Tables options. Step 4. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 5. Type the desired number of columns and rows. Step 6. Click on OK button. If you want to create a table, then simply click on the locations where you want to insert a table, then click on Insert tab and select Table options. Here a list of grid available. Select the grids according to your requirement. Also, you can create a table with the help of Insert Table options. When you click on that, it will display a dialog box where you can type the number of rows and number of columns that you want in a table and click on OK button. It will create a table according to given rows and columns in a tables dialog box. Next, Insert Table dialog box. This is the dialog box where you can define the number of columns and number of rows. In a background, tables are created where 5 columns and 10 rows are there. After that, click on OK button. It will create a table. Next, inserting rows. If you want to insert a row in a table, then some options are given there. To add a new row at the end of an existing table, position the insertion point anywhere in the last cell and press the tab key. Word inserts a new row. Some missing is there. The styles of cells that are immediately above it. Simply you go to the last cell of a table and press tab key from keyboard. It will create a new row in a table. Next, steps for inserting rows. Step 1. Position the insertion point below the row where you want the new row to be inserted. Step 2. Click the Table Tools, Contextual tab and the Click Layout tab. Click Insert above or below in the row and column group. Step 4. The new row is inserted below the selected row. These are the steps for inserting a new row in a table. If you want to insert a new row, then follow the given steps. Next, steps for inserting column. If you want to insert a column in a table, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the column to which you wish the new column to appear. Step 2. Click the Layout tab. Step 3. Click Insert column to the right options in the row and column group. Step 4. The new column is inserted right to the selected column. These are the steps for inserting column in a table. Simply click on the table where you want to insert a column. Then click on Layout tab and select the options where you want to right or left option. In right option, it will create a new column at the right of current cursor positions. If you select a left options, it will create a new column at the left of the current cursor positions. Thank you.